We're going to give a little tour of the Modern Shop. This is the easiest way to procure parts online from a variety of industrial manufacturers. We have over 8 million plus items across several major brands. Signing up for a free Modern Shop account is very easy. Just click on the top here for sign up. It's on any page that you're on. Just account details. You need to have a valid email address. Shipping. We ship to the lower 48 states of America at the present time. You will need to have a shipping address within those limits. Enter it in, prove that you're not a robot, click create account, and you're good to go. You can start buying. Navigating the site is pretty easy. We have things broken up by product category and brand. You can browse that way. The easiest way, honestly, to go about it is to punch in a part number. We have very simple, very easy searching that cross-references, again, any of the manufacturers, Total Source, Cummins, Hyundai, several others. So we got Fleet Guard filter. Want to add that to a cart. It's going to show up with a cart. We have automatic shipping calculations. So if I do, for example, where we're based out of, which is Bristol, Pennsylvania. It's going to do an automatic call out to get the live shipping rates for us, breaking it down by different priorities. All orders over $199 qualifies for free ground shipping. And checkout's easy. Once you have an account, you can ship to multiple addresses, keep them stored here. If you're a facility manager with responsibility to purchase large quantities of stuff over several facilities, very easy to do. We're just going to bill and ship it to our company address, and we're going to upgrade it to second day shipping. We need it relatively quickly, and then it'll give a full breakdown. Enter in any coupon codes that you may be offered. You can pay with credit card or PayPal, and you click to proceed. If you're a municipality, government purchaser, reseller, nonprofit organization, we support automatic tax-free shopping on the Modern Shop. To do that, we need your tax exemption certificate on file. So just complete this form, submit it. Our accounting team will review it, and then we'll flip a switch on the back end of your account, so tax is automatically waived on purchases. If you have any questions about tax exemption certificates, consult your tax professional or state regulations. Once you get a sense of what parts you're reordering constantly, there's an easy way to streamline that process so you're not having to punch in part numbers or browse the site over and over again. If you click on the little stick figure up in the top corner here, it'll go by default to the orders page within your customer profile. From here, you can get a complete history of what you purchased from the Modern Shop, reprint out invoices, check statuses, everything like that. If you go to a recent order that we did, we need some additional parts again because we're wearing through them. You can go check off each thing individually. You click reorder, that'll add it back to the cart. Way to really streamline a lot of commonly purchased parts, a lot of wear items that you're going through quickly. We offer a cool feature for power users that buy quite a bit of parts for larger facilities, this quick add feature. You can download a template which you can mass put in part numbers and then import them into the site, and they'll automatically be added to your cart. So you don't have to go through one at a time punching in part numbers. If you're reordering stuff in mass, if you're just doing a lot of bulk purchases, this is a very easy way to add them quickly and then continue on with your day.